Senior Packey Durkin already holds the JV pole vault record here at Downers Grove South, and now he is only inches away from breaking the varsity record. Packey talks more on his plan of attack and his mental preparation going into these competitive meets.
Currently, I'm pretty close to breaking the indoor varsity record. It's 14.4, and last meet I just jumped 14 feet, so it's like I just need to get 5 more inches and I'll clear it and beat it.
He makes the whole team better. He brings a good vibe and we all look up to him, and he still stays humble. So overall, he's a really good teacher, real good teammate, and he's just the best.
It's gotta be usually mentally, because as I said, if you think too much, it's ruins the whole vault usually. So I personally try to limit myself to thinking 2 things when vaulting, and any other distractions usually ends up with me messing up my whole vault. So it can get really tough just trying to focus and cancel everything out.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Aiden Kidney.